Hey guys, it's Tortoise Investing here. All things investing, dividends, normal growth stocks, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, the works. If you're new, hit that subscribe button for me. I'd greatly appreciate it. And let's get this video to 15 likes. That would be amazing. Those two things are super free and easy to do, and it helps me out tremendously. Now, today we're going to be taking a look at my watch list, and I'm going to give a rough area of where I'm going to be looking to do entry points on these stocks, and just in general look at how the market and Bitcoin has been doing this year. So without further ado, let's go. So as you see here, Bitcoin has just been on an absolute tear, up 60% year to date. This is absolutely crazy. And if we go to the 1 year, we are up 159% with Bitcoin. That is absolutely just nuts to me. Let's type in Ethereum, because I am curious how Ethereum is looking. Year to date, 51%, and over the last year, up over 100%. Now, Ethereum is supposed to be getting an ETF in the near future, hopefully in the next year or so. Very similar to the IBIT, which is what I own in my portfolio. I dropped $1,000 in it. Just going to let it sit there, pretend that I don't know it exists, and in 10-15 years, hopefully I have 10x plus my money. That's the hope with this. And honestly, with some of the Bitcoin price predictions and stuff, I think I'm going to get it. Absolutely think I'm going to get it. I've seen some price points anywhere from $250,000 per coin to over $1 million per coin, which over $1 million per coin would be just absolutely crazy. Definitely 10x my money then. But there's going to be a wait and see how everything plays out. I don't actually own any of the individual coins. I just own it through IBIT. And again, I plan on holding this. Whenever Ethereum drops their ETF, I have full intentions to put a little bit in that as well and just ride it out, see what happens. Now, the market has been, if you've been paying attention, which I know y'all have, up and up and up and up and up and up and up, and we passed the moon. We're on our way to another solar system at this point. We're up almost 11% year to date, 10.79 over the last year, up 30.45%, and over the last 5 years up 85%. Now, off this COVID bottom, if that's when you got in, you're up 127.96%. In what, 4 years? Crazy, absolutely crazy. And can this continue? I don't know. I've kind of just threw my hands up in the air, and I'm just DCAing into some plays that I believe long term in. Now let's take a look at some of those. This is my watch list. We'll take a look at that in just a second. So this is what I'm rocking with my portfolio currently. We got Adobe, IBIT, MasterCard, Altria, MSCI, Starbucks, SoFi, SPGI, the SPIY. That's the cover call ETF that I own. I really like that ETF better than I do JEPI because it's more tax advantage. I think it's going to do well in the long term too, and I just like how they have everything set up. I definitely like it a lot better in these yield maxes. United Healthcare Group and Visa. This is what we're rocking currently. My newest ones would be Adobe, MSCI, SPGI, and United Health Group. I've been slowly but surely just trying to get my share count up in those as long as they're within a reasonable price range. Adobe, I'm looking to buy Adobe anywhere from, I'd like to stay in 5-10 down range. I have no intentions of buying any more of that unless it goes red on me. I think I'm up like 12% or something like that on it. MasterCard, anything below 460, I'd like to be buying. Ultra, I'm kind of happy where I'm sitting with it right now, but if it was to dip below 40, we'd definitely jump in on that. MSCI, 550 below, I'd be looking to just do a slow and steady DCA. Starbucks, I'd like to see it dip below 90. SoFi, I would anything below 7, I consider a great long-term position with this. SPGI, below 420 in that area. SPYI, I'm going to try my best to keep it at 10% of my overall portfolio. UNH, United Health, anything below 490. Honestly, below 500, I'd be okay. But I'm kind of happy with the 490-ish range right now. And Visa, I'd like to see a little bit of a pullback on that. Anything below 270, I'm just going to be gobbling it up. But yeah, we got these going, and we've got our watch lists. This is how the watch list is looking currently. I've got VOO in here just kind of so you can see how the 200-day moving averages compare. Apple has just been having a rough time here lately. But yeah, this is things that I am keeping my eye on. Now, some price targets for these. The ones that are closest, probably FICO. I'd like to see FICO drop another 5 or so percent. I'd like to see this hit in the 1150s area. Would be awesome. Salesforce is another one I'd love to get into. I'm very strong believer in both of these long term. This in the 270s would just have me giggling. Celsius is one I really wish I would have stuck with them after their stock split. This was around 50, 60 a share. Now it went up to like almost 100. Now it's down to 82. So I'm thinking about maybe starting a position in Celsius and just see what happens. I'm trying to load up on things that I am a big believer in 15 years from now. The slow and steady wins the race. I'm a big believer in that. But yeah, I'm pretty comfortable with any of these holdings at the right price points. Now, if we're going to get a pullback, I'm really hopeful that we get a pullback. I'm stuck in between DCAing into things and then move positions if I find something I like more, or try and build a little bit of cash just in case. I don't know. I did have a little bit of a cash position, but I kind of got rid of it. And yeah, this is how I plan on investing right now. This is the portfolio setup. I don't own 20, 30, 40, 50 stocks. I think it's 11 total holdings. 2 of these are ETFs. And I'm happy with how things look. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed that. Just a nice little look through everything. Show you my watch list. Gives you some price point ideas of what I'm looking into. But, yeah, hit that like and subscribe button for more. I greatly appreciate it. And until next time, take care. See you.